Hello everyone, this is Mirza Yasir Bey, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at Kerala Academy of Pharmacy, Thiruvananthapuram. So today I am going to speak about pharmaceutical chemistry. Did you know that every life-saving medicine begins with chemistry? Pharmaceutical chemistry is the science of discovering, designing, synthesizing, analyzing and developing safe, effective and high quality of drugs. So I am delighted to introduce the fascinating field of the pharmaceutical chemistry. We teach the fundamentals of medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, drug design, quality control, and modern analytical techniques. We also encourage research, innovations, and practical skills that prepare students for real-world challenges. So join us as we explore the science behind medicines and contribute to healthier future through knowledge, research, and innovations. At Kerala Academy of Pharmacy, we provide students with a strong foundation in medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, drug design, drug control, and quality control, and as well as quality assurance. We are committed to nurturing skilled professionals who will shape the future of medicines and healthcare. Thank you for contribution. Thank you and welcome to our department at Kerala Academy of Pharmacy, Trivandrum.